Hey buddy, I got water for you. You almost ready for your walk? Go.
All right, sweet puppy, you ready to go? We're gonna take some photos. We're gonna take some Instagram photos, okay? We're gonna get a lot of likes, and we're gonna keep a roof over both of our heads. We're gonna eat. This is important. We're gonna dress you up. You're gonna go back and forth, do some cute poses, make us a lot of money. We're gonna survive. All right, it's gonna be great. All right, just like that. Perfect. Now smile at me. Good, sweet boy. Yes, perfect. Very good. All right, now do something else. Come on, yeah. All right. Oh, yes, perfect. Perfect. Oh, they're gonna love that online. Absolutely, yeah. Look who's a sweet boy. That's right. Yeah, keep it going. All right, something else. Very nice. No, puppy, this isn't good. Gross. You're ugly as fuck. Ugly skank. You look and act like a feral dog. Dirty, spoiled bag of milk. Jesus Christ. Ugly as fuck. They don't like you, buddy. Yeah, they think you're too fat and ugly. It's not good. I'm not gonna make any money. I'm not gonna make any money because you're too ugly. Yeah, you're chubby. They don't like. They're chubby in the face, chubby around the midsection. They don't like any of it. And you're gonna have to slim you down from top to tail. Yeah. Oh no, puppy, this is no good. You're still disgusting. You gotta work out good so that you're slimmer, because now you're too fat, you understand? I need you to not be fat. Skinny, like I want a good dog, so we get our likes online, you understand? You're too ugly still. I'm telling you, we're gonna have to put you down. We're gonna have to kill you, do you understand? If you don't look good, I'm gonna have to kill you and get another dog that looks more attractive. Because you're fat, you're disgusting. You embarrass my family, makes me sad. I'm more disappointed than I am like upset or angry, because you're ugly.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, you piece of shit. I know where you live. You understand? I'm gonna kill you.
Could you
think
just
I don't know
tone
where
it
you
down,
live?
maybe?
You think I don't know who you are?
I hear you all day.
I'm gonna end your fucking
all
life.
day about this
Now go
dog.
sit down.
You're
Go
too
sit down
fat.
inside your
You
house
gotta be
and
skinnier.
I
We
don't
need
have to
more
look at
likes.
you anymore. You understand? Talk to my dog any way that I want to. Now go
A
fuck
little
off.
peace and quiet.
You're garbage. Now go home. Yeah, you think you can steal my dog, you piece of shit? I'm gonna put a bullet in your head. Put my dog down. You think you can fuck with my Instagram money? I'm gonna put a bullet in your head, you piece of garbage. All right, here's water. Get ready for your walk.